Okay, there was a small problem. We're back now. I lost connection for a second. So what's up? Hi Shiva. Hi Nikki. Hi Anjanalu. Okay, we're going. Hi Pavan. What's up? Hey guys, so what's going on? How's life? What's keeping you busy? Hello. Hi all. Welcome to the live. Atal po. Sorry, I wanted to sit and chat in one place, but you know, it's really busy. It's super hectic, and yeah, so here we are. Any which way. Left ka aapko Shipa. Left ka best. Yeah, that's good. So guys, what's up? Let's just wait for everybody to join so that we can start chatting. అవును అసలు ఈ 4 నెలల్లో హైదరాబాద్ రోడ్లకి ఏమైనాయి అసలు ఇంత మంచిగా తయారైనాయి. వెరీ నైస్. Hey guys, what's up? Hi Narendra, I'm good. How are you? Good. I'm all well, guys. I'm good. It's Prasanna na. Who's this? Somebody shares my mom's name. That's very nice. I just stopped to chat with you guys. I'm on my way to a meeting, but you know that can wait. Kavati, how's it going? I'm good. How are you? So how's life, guys? How are you guys spending your time? I hope y'all are staying safe. అందరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఈ కోవిడ్ గోల్ ఏంటో తగ్గలేనంటుంది ఇంకా. What's up? Where am I from? I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a Pakka Hyderabadi. Yeah, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉంటున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. Okay, so the purpose of doing this live, I think we should get started. ఇప్పుడు ఈ లైవ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం అంటే బయటకు వచ్చి చూసిన తర్వాత కోవిడ్ ఇంకా తగ్గలేదు, అండ్ it's become quite a problem to sort of like, you know, make fan meets happen. It's becoming risky. It's more of a health hazard laga అయిపోతుంది. So, you know, what is the best way to make this happen అన్నట్టుగా అనుకున్నాము, and we figured going live on Instagram and, you know, chatting with you guys is the best way to do it. Definitely ఈ కోవిడ్ ఇదంతా తగ్గిన తర్వాత I'm gonna come and see you guys. I would love to do a tour of AP, Telangana, maybe Bangalore and Chennai and all the other places that you guys are sending me so much love from. But here's the deal, right? Like, the problem with COVID is we're supposed to be avoiding mass gatherings. So the responsible ga undadu on my behalf to make these meets happen, and it is in mine and your best interest that we sort of avoid doing these physical meets. But I wanted to do this live so that I can still come and chat with all of you guys and answer any questions that you guys have. I know that you guys have been like all around. You're like you want to know what's happening and what not. So outundi work is going on all fronts, and I think the idea is to sort of make a good film. I'm listening to scripts. Chala scripts vastunnayi. I want to do something interesting, and picking the right script and doing a very interesting story is sort of what I'm looking to do right now. So నా దృష్టిలో ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ కొంచెం ఈసీ ఎక్కువ నా దృష్టిలో ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ ద కింగ్. అండ్ వింటున్నాను రకరకాల స్టోరీస్ వస్తున్నాయి, అండ్ I want to make sure the first 3 movies that I make are going to be very content driven, very interesting stories. I want to tell stories. I'm a good storyteller అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. I like to have multiple threads in the plot line, sort of visual storytelling అనేది ఉండాలి, intelligent screenplay అనేది ఉండాలి, dialogues should be written very well, and there's a little bit of pre-production that goes into movies kabatti a few rehearsals are also very important. We need to sort of understand the character, figure out what will work for me and what people want to see, what you guys want to see. So itvantivi sort of getting all of these things together in the right combination is definitely a challenge, and we're working on it. We're working very hard, rest assured. I'm going to make a good film for sure. And so that's the plan. We'll I don't know if making an announcement or anything makes any sense at this point, kani oka manchi cinema tho aithe I'm going to make sure I see you guys again in the big screen. So all efforts are happening right now. What's up with you guys? Naku what questions do you guys have? I want to talk to you guys. Cheppandi. Addalu, you guys want me to take my addalu off? Okay? What's up? Hi Akila, what's happening? Hi Nishit, what's up? How you been, dude? Okay, we'll try and get like another meet for mom as well. I think all of you guys want to meet her. కానీ చాలా భయం అవుతుంది. ఎట్లుందంటే తగ్గట్లేదు నాకేమో. మా నాన్నమ్మ ఉన్నారు ఇంట్లో, షీఈ్ 87 and I'm really concerned for her. God's grace, none of us have contracted COVID. I'm really scared for them. So Kalvatalu, I'm maintaining social distancing. I'm trying to keep it very real. So all that is happening. My movie work is happening, bro. It's very chala అడగడం చాలా ఈజీ. అంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఆ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ ప్రాసెస్ అది, ఎందుకంటే స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఫస్ట్. సో స్క్రిప్ట్ దగ్గరే 100% సాటిస్ఫై అవుతూనే ఐ నీడ్ టు మేక్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. అండ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విషయంలో చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఐ లుక్ ఇన్ టు ఎవ్రీ డీటెయిల్. Every dialogue is important, and we all need to feel like the director, me, the producer, we all need to feel like this is the right time to go for shoot అన్నట్టుగా అనిపించాలి మా అందరికీ. అండ్ చాలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఒక 4, 5, 6 verticals మీద parallelly there is work happening. So all single-handedly I'm sort of like trying to make sure I put it all together. But like I said, scripts, the focus is on the scripts. I'm listening to scripts as much as humanly possible. పొద్దున్న సాయంత్రం దాకా స్క్రిప్ట్ డిస్కషన్స్, స్క్రిప్ట్ రీడింగ్స్ ఇటువంటివి అవుతున్నాయి. Getting about like 3 to 4 stories, trying to get in more per day. So it's nice, it's a good space to be in. There's a lot of young guys out there with a lot of content, very intelligent storytelling unnai. So something refreshing, something intelligent, something contemporary. ఒక మంచి సినిమా అంటే అరే దిస్ ఇస్ అ గుడ్ మూవీ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అన్నట్టుగా ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ దిస్ అన్నట్టుగా నాకు అనిపించాలి. అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ క్రియేటివ్, ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ ప్యూర్, ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ ఆనెస్ట్ ఎఫర్ట్ కదా ఫిల్మ్ మేకింగ్ అనేది. సో all those efforts are happening. I'm sort of a little disconnected right now. I just wanted to meet you guys. I'm not doing anything else. All I'm trying to do is focus on my narrations and my script discussions and that sort of thing. So I think this Friday we all wanted to come and meet you, so that's why this live is happening. Jarutunai script selections are happening. There is definitely a lot of content that is very interesting. So yeah, we're working. There's a lot of work happening on that front for sure. Hi Vittal, hi Monica, hi Bhargavi, hey Kirtana, what's up? I love my Instagram family. I mean, you guys are not FAN, you guys are FAM. You guys are fam. బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత I think after I took over my Instagram page, I'm sort of handling it myself, and ఒక్క పేజ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ పోస్ట్ చేయడం అనేది ఒక పెద్ద టాస్క్ నాకు. సో I'm trying to keep it organized. Every evening there's usually a post out. Maybe one, maybe two if I'm feeling, if I'm feeling adventurous, I'll probably put 2 posts. But yeah, I'm gonna try and keep it interesting. I'm here, I'm on Instagram, so please stay updated. Follow me here if you want to stay connected. Yeah. Hi Nandini. Hi Siddhima. Hey, hi Nagaraja. Hi Nikhil, what's up? Hi Pavani. Hey Asha, what's up? Love back to Karimnagar. Hi Shreya. Yes, I had my lunch. Mirandar bonchesara. I had my lunch. అందుకే కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది. I think I'm 5 minutes late కదా to the live. I'm on my way to a meeting. I thought I'll do this live on the way. So signal undali kada. So if I'm sort of moving, then there's no signal. But yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So Cheppandi, do you guys have any interesting questions for me that I can answer? Lot of highs. Hi to everybody. No more highs. Adigandi questions, adigandi. I want to talk to you guys. I want to chat. Thanks man. A lot of love to all you guys. Anni chautunanu. So మీ అందరికీ విషయం చెప్పాలి. సో ఓకే, నో రిమూవ్ యువర్ స్పెక్స్. ఓకే ఫైన్, ఐల్ రిమూవ్ మై స్పెక్స్. ఏంటో చంపేస్తుంది. బట్ యా, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో ఇవన్నిటికీ నేను కొంచెం కొత్త. ఐ థింక్ ఇన్స్టా లైవ్ కానీ ట్విట్టర్ కానీ సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సూపర్ సోషల్ మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్లీ, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు కీప్ అప్ విత్ యూ గైజ్. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ ఆల్ ది యాక్షన్ ఇస్. ఐ బిలీవ్ ఐఎమ్ బీయింగ్ టోల్డ్. So I think this is the best place to stay connected to all you guys. ఇక్కడ అందరితో మాట్లాడవచ్చు కదా. I think so, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's be on Instagram, I guess. ఇవన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువ I just want to focus on work. నాకు సినిమాలు తీయడం అంటే ఇష్టము, and movies is where I belong, and yeah, so సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది కొంచెం నేర్చుకోవాలి. నేను మెల్లిమెల్లిగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. సో లైవ్ ఏంటి, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఏంటి, పోస్టింగ్ ఏంటి, స్టోరీస్ ఏంటి, ట్విట్టర్ ఏంటి, ఫేస్బుక్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ నేను నేర్చుకోవాలి కొంచెం. సో యా. వైజాగ్ అనేది వద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. యాక్చువల్లీ వీ వర్ సపోజ్ టు మేక్ ఎ ట్రిప్, బట్ I think 31st లోపే వద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, but they weren't giving us permission to hold an event in Vizag. Kabatti we had to put it off. Government wasn't giving us permission. And also I think we have to understand that, you know, having gatherings at this point, ఒక సెకండ్ వేవ్ లాగా వస్తుంది, we don't know much about it. So ఎట్లాగో vaccines వస్తున్నాయి, let like the vaccine come out properly, let a few people get vaccinated, and it'll be, you know, slightly safer appudu to do these things. But rest assured, I would definitely going to visit all the cities, all the towns out there. Yeah. And yeah, that goes for every other town guda, you know. Lots of love to you too from Bellary. Lots of love to you too. Guntur ki kuda vastanu, definitely vasta. Hi Lahari, hi Teju, what's up? Hi Bhavna, hi Durga. Hey. Yes, Namrata, I also want to see myself in movies. It'll happen very soon. Yeah. Hi Mandira, what's up? Hey Lekha. Hi Srija, definitely గా వస్తాను, శ్రీకాకుళం కూడా వస్తాను తప్పకుండా. చాలా ప్లేసెస్కి రావాలి, వెళ్ళాలి. I would like to meet all of you guys. గుంటూరు విజయవాడ రెండు ఒకటేసారి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటో ఏమో కానీ అసలు బయటికి వెళ్ళి కలవాలి అందరినంటేనే సోషల్ డిస్టెన్సింగ్, మాస్కులు అవన్నీ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. ఇది ఒకసారి నా మాస్క్ ఇవ్వు. ఇగో ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ వేసుకొని తిరగాల్సి వస్తుంది నాకు. ఏం చేయాలి? ఓకే, బట్ నా ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ వేర్ దిస్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఫాల్ సిక్ నా, ఇది ఒక్కటి మీరు అందరూ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక 2 weeks నేను ఒకవేళ క్వారంటైన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం వచ్చిందంటే నాకు పెద్దగా ఏం కాదు. మై హెల్త్ ఇస్ ప్రిటీ ఓకే, యూనో, టచ్ వుడ్. దేవుడి దయ వల్ల హెల్త్ పర్లేదు, బాగుంది. కానీ ఒకవేళ ఇఫ్ ఐ కాంట్రాక్ట్ అండ్ ఐ టర్న్ కోవిడ్ పాజిటివ్, దెన్ ఐ లూజ్ 2 weeks నౌ. అండ్ ఈ టైంలో నాకు 2 weeks లాస్ అవ్వడం అనేది, యూనో, ఇట్స్ గోనా రియలీ ఎఫెక్ట్ మీ, మై కెరియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో మీ అందరి ముందు మళ్ళీ సినిమాతో రావాలి కాబట్టి లెట్ మీ వర్క్. I would love to meet you guys in person, but I think right now the sensible way forward is to do these virtual meets as much as possible. So hey Hema, what's up? What are you doing on live, man? Go do some work, Hema. Yeah, so I know you guys will be understanding. Rest assured, I'm working very hard to try and make things happen. So all efforts are on the movie front. We're trying to get the projects up and running together and doing them well. Creatively, we have some amazing writers, amazing stories that I'm reading. You know, which has to go up first, which has to go up second. Itlanti discussions out there, and you know, picking the right story, picking the right content is very important. At this point, we're not understanding sort of theatrically what's happening అనేది కూడా మెల్లిమెల్లిగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. I think we need to understand the number of projects that are lined up for release. So that also I'm getting a grip of now. You know, some of the bigger OTT platforms have some great content lined up, so that also looks good. But my focus right now is primarily on theatrical and theaters, because that's where movies are, right? That's what we're here for, kada? సో అదబ్బా, ఇంకా చెప్పండి, ఇంకేంటి విశేషాలు? టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అబౌట్ యూ గైస్. Suvarna, I'm good. How are you? Thanks, Hemant. Thank you. I love you too. Hey guys. Hey. What's up? Hi. Anisha, what's up? Abhay is good. Rowdy is also good. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much. The car is stopped because we have signal issues. I couldn't stay in one place. I'm running to a meeting, but I had to make this happen. Kabatti, I got into the car and I said, hey, let's do this on the way. But we have to stop. There's a few signal issues. I had to cut the first live because of that. But yeah. Hi Samyukta, what's up? Hey Roshan, I'm good. How are you? Hello Andy, Hari Babu, how are you? Yes, నేను తిన్నాను. మీరు తిన్నారా? భోంచేశారా అందరూ? What did you have for lunch? Team Mahatali. Cheers to you too, guys. And yeah. Hi Aishwarya. Hi Paramesh. Hi Yogita. Hi Sai Neeraj. What's up? I'm good. How are you? Mom is good. Mom is also good. I'm on my way to a meeting, guys. Kannada నేర్చుకుంటా. నేర్చుకొని మాట్లాడాలి. I would love to speak in Kannada. I only know one thing. నేను బెంగళూరు పోయినప్పుడల్లా లెఫ్ట్ పోవాలంటే లెఫ్ట్ పోగి అనేటోళ్ళు, రైట్ పోవాలంటే రైట్ పోగి అనేటోళ్ళు. అది ఎంతవరకు కరెక్ట్ నాకు కూడా తెలియదు, బట్ దట్స్ ద ఓన్లీ కన్నడ ఐ నో. Somebody just called me. Yes. Yeah, the professor says hi back to you. Come to Bangalore. Yeah, I think there is a plan. Sorry. Got disconnected for a quick second. Now we're back. Inka cheppandi. Hi Sagarika. Hi Kirti. What's up? Ask me something, guys. If you guys want to know something, that's why I'm here. If you have questions, I'll answer them. And yeah. I'm near Tangbund. I'm on my way out to work. Yeah, I'll definitely come to Bangalore. We'll have like a meet. Kani idantha koncham taggale. COVID is the main problem here, and see, I'm telling you guys again and again, it's still not safe out there. I've been reading about it. There are a couple of strains in India that are super malicious, and we need to be careful about it. ఏ స్ట్రెయిన్ మనం ఏం కాంట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో మనకేం అర్థమైతలేదు. కొందరికి వచ్చిపోయినలకు యాంటీబాడీస్ కూడా లేవు. సో we don't know what's happening on that front. Let the vaccine come out. I think the sort of like the phase 4 is happening right now. So let the first line of vaccine trials happen, and let's all be safe. It's not over yet. Kabatti, let's just hold off for some more time. And Elopu, let me also work so that I'm setting up the pipeline properly. And yeah. So right now, na time anta, it's just going into reading scripts, yeah, because it's a very pure process, and finding the right story and sort of like figuring out what will work, this will work, something that's very interesting. It's a very pure thing. Koncham magic untadi script la. So I really want to enjoy that space right now, just reading content, reading stories, and figuring out the kind of stories that I want to tell. Koni nachtunnayi, but they're not yet at dialogue level. So I'm in touch with those writers, and they're going back to write the script level. So sometimes we need to find a dialogue writer to figure out if they can write well. Okka dialogue writer okka copy rastaru, that takes 2 days, 3 days, and then there's another dialogue writer that comes in, and so there's a lot of work happening. Pre-production is going on, so getting the story right is a task. Simple ga movie announce cheyadam anedi, it's very simple, but that's not what I want to do. I want to make sure I get it right. Creatively, we need to make sure we make the right choices. Kabatti it'll take a little while. Yeah. Yes, I know what your expectations are. I know. Chustuna. And yeah, that's what I'm here for, to make a good film. And yeah, so నేను ఒకటి అడుగుతాను మిమ్మల్ని, మీరందరూ నాకు ఒకటి చెప్పాలి. What kind of film would you like to see? Something, 3 choices. One is something very edgy and something very contemporary. Like something very modern, something, sort of like a breakthrough and sort of like a, something that is in some ways ahead of its time. Something like that. Something like a rom-com, very intelligently told. Something that's, a very light-hearted drama but has a deeper meaning. There is also a deeper story to be told. And 3, an out-and-out commercial Telugu movie. Like proper, like something that's, the proper, like out-and-out classic Telugu movie. It's, navi chachipole types la. Ee mooditlo, what do you guys want to see? Something like this. Right. Rom-com. You guys have heard? So, 1, 2 or 3, what do you guys want to see? Something that's edgy. Something like I don't want to take names. Something crazy, like something awesome. A good message, for sure, yeah. Message anedi etlana untadi. We try to make impactful movies because it's important. Okay. So you guys have to help me out. So between 1, 2 and 3, what do you guys want to see? Something edgy and super modern, something for the family and a rom-com drama, and something like a proper Telugu potboiler types la. Full commercial movie, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Venkat, sa phone iva? Sir, Venkat phone. Love. Okay. Yeah, let's see. I'm trying to figure out what works for me and that sort of thing. Yeah. How about all 3 is what I'm thinking. Exactly. So, these 3 movies lo, which one comes out first and we're trying to figure out. So all 3 have to sort of hit the floor. Kabatti. Yeah. Yes. All 3 kada? Yeah, even I know. All 3 cheddamannante unna. It's a trick question. That's why I asked you guys. Which one do you want to see? But we're doing all 3. Yeah, I know, man. There's a lot of work to happen. So yeah. Inka cheppandi, tell me about you guys. Ekkadi nunchi, where are you guys joining us live from? What are the towns you guys are calling us from? From which cities? Ekkadi nunchi chestunaru? Where are you joining the live from? Mancherial. Super. Ani cheddam, ani mugu, ani. We're doing all 3. Mudutiki mudu cheddam. Nellore, very nice. తిరుపతి నుంచి ఉన్నారా ఎవరన్నా? తిరుపతి నుంచి ఉన్నారా ఎవరన్నా? నేను ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నా అంటే mom has been wanting to go to Tirupati for a while and we are trying to figure out how to ఒకసారి దర్శనానికి వెళ్ళాలి తిరుపతికి. And చిత్తూరులో నా స్కూల్ కూడా ఉంది, so I may want to visit for some time. So there may be a plan to sort of visit Tirupati. We don't know yet. We don't know anything just yet. We're still figuring out things. But yeah, we may. And yeah, definitely Bangalore, Vizag, and Guntur and Vijayawada. Ivannitki kuda we're gonna make a trip soon. Let's see what happens. And అమెరికా కష్టం అమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడే కాదు. రకరకాలుగా ఉంది ప్రపంచంలో ఇప్పుడు. US will have to wait, maybe fall, end of summer, fall, maybe US will happen. There's so much work happening right now. I don't think I can take a break. I want to focus on work right now. That's more important for me. Yeah.